Yesterday's trade already played out and I shared the result on the channel. Today I am watching two new steps that can be even cleaner and better than yesterday. Stay with me because the last one is, I think, more interesting because I will tell you a few things that it will help you in all of your trades. Hello everyone and welcome to the new video of our channel. I will quickly show why yesterday worked. Then I will break down today's three steps, step by step, and the same smart money strategy that I personally I myself trade with, and there is no need in indicator or any other things, just the price. Okay, let's go towards the yesterday trade and I will just review quickly and show you the result again. Here's the XAG that it listed as a coin on the Binance and I trade with. Yesterday I show you that why I trade from here and how I enter the trade here and it is the result. This one was the second one that I told you and with the great result. Remember that all of the trade that I share with you guys, the risk reward ratio is 3 risk reward ratio. And this one is the third one that I yesterday also I told you that why I expect that it should give our target and clean target it give us. And this one is the fourth one that hit our stop loss. And but before it hit our stop loss, it could give us the one risk reward ratio. We can see clearly here one risk reward ratio that it could give us a chance to risk free, and I myself risk free here. And here is the new coins that I expect to have a trade on. Let's start with this coin that most of the traders they were expecting from here that it should give the target and some of them from here. But I already marked these areas as a liquidity because I know with my own strategy that how it is the liquidities. I always say that if we want to have a trade, we should first mark our market structure, that we should be sure about market structure, that we should trade with the market structure. Okay, here we can see clearly that this was the break of structure and here was the last high. The market gave us here the break of structure that we can see clearly, and then after this area we can see here that the market comes down here, market comes down here, and it could give us the break of structure here also. After this break of structure we can see clearly that the market comes up and increase till here. Market comes here and made a high here in this area, exactly in this area. So after that the market comes down again, give us the break of structure here. After that the break of structure market comes and clean this area as a liquidity, because the last high, strong high, was here. Then after that the market comes down again and could give us a break of structure even here. And after that the market comes down and we can see clearly that the market hit this low and clean this low, and then the market comes up. And here, where was the last or strong high? Or last strong high was here. Our last strong high was here, and then when the market comes here, market could give us a change of character here. After that, I was expecting that the market should comes down till here. So after that, I could take a change of character from this coin. So now I should find the order block. Let's see where is our order block. Here we can see clearly that our 15-minute time frame order block is this area, this last bearish candle. Then I mark this one. After the finding the break of structure, we will expect to find the liquidities higher than our order block. So we can see clearly that this, and we know this low is our last low, that, and all of this area was our low that I already say that the market should clean all of these liquidities, and we can see clearly that the market clean all of these liquidities, but it still couldn't clean our last liquidity. That our last liquidity is here, that I expect that the market should come and clean this one. Most of the traders they enter from the higher price, but I expect that the market should come down and clean this liquidity as our liquidity, then the market should go towards our target. I always say that we should not enter the trade so early, and we should wait. And I know that the patient is one of the sixes key to the trade. So you can see that the most of traders they enter from there. But myself still I am waiting for this the area that the market should comes down that liquidity. So here is the other trend line that I expect that the market should break it and comes down towards our target, our entry. So let's talk that how is my entry model. Let's see. The other option that confirm the setup of trade for us that it will work is the or FEG that we can see clearly here. In a 1 hour time frame we have the FEG here, and then I expect that the market should comes down till this liquidity and liquidity, and we should enter from the trade. So let's talk about my entry model that how is. I told you that I expect that the market should comes down and clean this liquidity. Then we should go towards our stop loss, and from that where my stop loss will be and where my target will be. Okay, and my stop loss will be a few point lower than our last low that the market if want to clean as a liquidity. I should not be with them, and my target. Always I told you that my target will be 3 risk reward ratio because it's a good and a great things, a great risk reward ratio that this strategy most of the time gift us, and even so it, because I'm not that much greedy, so it is enough for me. It was from this coin, and let's go towards the next coin that how and what will be that. Okay, and this coin is the other coin that I want to tell you that it will be a great opportunity. Here we can see clearly that the market is in a bullish market structure, especially in all of the time that we see it is a great bullish market structure. So from here I expect that the market should give us our entry. Uh, After our market structure, we will find our order block or stop hands. We can see that the market clean all of these stop hands, all of these areas as or as liquidity. It stopped all of this area, and then the market give us a order block. So here is order block. This one is our order block. You can see it's a good order block, and yeah, and also here we have a FVG for our entry that I think it will be a great entry, a great one for our entry. Yes, and this one is, and then so why I say that it's a good order block, why I expect that the market should give our good entry, good reaction from this order block, because we see that the market clean all of these liquidities first, this order block, before it can give us a move, the liquidities, and then the market have so many gap, and also the third one is also it could give us a break of structure again. BOS. And the fourth reason is that also itself made liquidities in this area. In this area, it made liquidities that I expect that the market should clean all of them. So yeah, and then how I will enter to the trade, I will enter from the half of this this FVG. It is my intermediate in this coin, because I expect that the market should comes and maybe I can complete this FEG, but let's see what will happen. And my stop loss will be a few point lower than our last shadow. And then my target will be 1 to 3 risk reward ratio as always, because it can give us our target easily. So let's see what will happen. Guys, I will share and I will update the result of these coins in the YouTube. If you like this type of the videos, this type of the trade, if you want to trade with me, if you have not couldn't, if you cannot find the opportunity to the trade, you can subscribe the channel and follow us or trade that we can trade with each other. Just I will tell you to know about the opportunity, and then you can take your own risk and you can trade with your own strategy also. So yes, this was the end of the video. I hope you could learn something and you could enjoy from this video. See you in the next video. Have a great time and trades.